Hi, and welcome to this tutorial on using Google Collections inside of Google Docs. Google Collections are very much like folders. They help us organize information. But one very big difference between a folder on your computer and a folder in Google Docs is that you can share folders. And I'll show you how that works. To begin, we'll create our own collection. So simply click on the Create button on the left-hand side and choose Collection. An option will come up to rename the collection, and I'll just call this Sample Collection. And click OK. Now you'll see there's nothing inside of your collection. We know we're in our sample collection because we can see it up here on the top in the navigator. So right now I'll go back to my home and I can see a list of all of my documents. Now I can take any of these documents and add them into my collection. So if I wanted to take a document that I've created, I can simply drag and drop it right into the sample collection. Now when I clicked on Collection, my sample collection, the document that I just dragged is there. I can also create new documents within that collection by going to the drop-down menu and clicking on Create. And you see I have the same list of options as I did before, only this time the documents will begin in that collection. What makes collections extremely powerful is the ability to share with a large number of users. So if I go to the drop-down menu, I can click on the Share button and then click Share. Much like a document, I can share it with different collaborators. And I can do that by adding people's names either individually or as a group. But the one difference between collections, or sharing a collection, and sharing a file, is that any files you put into that collection after that point will be shared with the group. This can be especially handy if you had to share a large number of files with a large number of people, or you wanted to keep them organized and not have to click Share each time. This has been using Google Collections inside of Google Docs.